The future is now. The future is now.
Hello and welcome to all learners on our productive and skill oriented platform. I'm your trainer Tariq Khan for this entire series. And right now we are going with the new journey on the platform of virtualization, and we are going to learn a number of theoretical concepts and industry oriented skills on the platform of Microsoft Hyper-V. So let's move and see what kind of important concepts and skills available in this course. So here we go. Here you can see at the first stage of this course, we will go and find the number of fundamental concepts regarding type 1 hypervisor. So as you know that Hyper-V categorized in the type 1 hypervisor, so we will definitely go and find features and capabilities regarding type 1 hypervisor on the platform of Microsoft, and we will find what kind of options and what kind of features available when we are going to implement this tremendous technology in our data center. And in next phase we are going to learn number of concepts regarding virtual machine infrastructure, and we will go and find a number of options inside the VM and what kind of features available when we are going to deploy virtual machine inside Hyper-V. And we will definitely find types of virtual drives, and we will find number of other options which is completely related with the deployment of virtual machine. And when we move forward, we will learn another important domain which is related with the connectivity of our data center, in which we are going to understand number of concepts regarding virtual switches on the platform of Hyper-V. So we will learn different types of switches, and we definitely explore what kind of options available in different kinds of switches when we are going to implement them in our production infrastructure. And in next phase we are going to learn about storage volumes on the platform of Hyper-V, because definitely we need different types of storages when we are going to implement virtual machines. We need storage volumes for storing our virtual machine data and their metadata and number of other stuff regarding virtualization. So during the whole course we will definitely cover three major components. The first one is compute, the second one is networking, and the third one is storage. So compute, storage and network will be completely covered during this whole journey on the platform of type 1 hypervisor. So let's move and start a journey with Hyper-V. And if any candidate have any kind of lacking in fundamental concepts, or if any candidate wants to learn concepts about type 2 hypervisor, which is generally dedicated for testing purpose, which is generally dedicated for staging infrastructure, so complete course is available on the below mentioned link, so you can also enjoy that course as well. So let's begin the journey with Microsoft Hyper-V.